Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to upload your resume on LinkedIn. And this is quite simple. So first click on your profile picture left in the top and then go to settings. Then from here go to data privacy and then scroll down to job seeking preferences and there click on job application settings. Then right here, sorry guys, it's a Dutch translation, but for you, you will exactly see the same, but in your own language. Right now, you need to turn off share your resume details with recruiters. Turn that one on. So that is this one. Click, make sure that this one is turned on. And then after that, you can upload your resume just right here. And after you did that and you go back, you just uploaded your resume on LinkedIn. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.